Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for April 29th, 2025. What are we seeing in here? I'm telling you right now, you're way up against resistance. I know that. And we've been talking about that for weeks, that we could go up to this area right here, right up to this area. But in a bear market rally, things have a habit of overshooting. So that's what we're watching right now. You're overbought, but you don't really have enough reasons to go crazy on the downside yet. But it sure as heck to go and mess around on the short side till you get that valid reversal signal. Now, there are other things going on within the surface. Number one, a lot of the economic reports today were poor. And yesterday. And the market still went up. Why? As people are thinking the Fed's going to cut. Now, I'm not sure with the tariffs, they're going to cut no matter what because it's inflationary, but you never know. I'm not an economist. I'm a trader. But that's one reason the market's held up. That's one reason the banks held up. That's one reason the credit cards held up, because a downtick in the Fed funds rate would help their margins. Visa, this is going to be the big wild card tomorrow. Overbought. At resistance, it's even higher. So it's up here. So that's like American Express being a little bull flag and going up to here. Right up to here. So we're going to have to watch those carefully. But I'm telling you right now, I'm watching at night. I'm watching the NASDAQ start to get pounded down about 70 points. So that's not going to give warm fuzzies to the broad market. So, but let's go back to it. And I want to go back and digress. Forget about Visa. I want to go to that chart right here. And I'm going to go to this chart. It's a graphic that I show in the room all the time. I show it on StockTwits all the time. And that's a sentiment cycle. So the sentiment cycle and what I'm seeing, and it's very similar to what's happened to the transports, that most tops do that. The enthusiasm, you know it all, of all they do is buy calls. You get the first sell-off, just like if you look on the right, if I move it over. And you'll see the first sell-off. Look at that. The sell-off, the sell-off. You get the panic, you get the panic. Then you get the nice short covering rally like we've gotten, and then you futz around in this area for a long time. Right in this area. That's why we've been doing neutral ideas. The reason that we're doing neutral ideas is usually after that type of short squeeze, the markets do nothing for a while. So we're looking for neutral ideas in here. Now, like I said, you could do this for a long time, and let me show you what it corresponds to. That would correspond to bullish sentiment probably going up, bears getting worn down, and also the weekly MACD would probably go back to over zero. And then you look for those reversal patterns, and I'll start looking for them now. Like I said, the NASDAQ tonight is not giving you warm fuzzies on that sell-off. That would probably pull down the ES, which it is. So I'm not getting long up when you're overbought at resistance. But now we're starting to see semblance of some kind of reversal. And that's what we'll be watching tomorrow morning. So take care. Like I said, I will be watching for good hourly reversal signals to go short. Take care. Have a great night. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.